So guys, this is my wired PS4 controller. Basically it's just a wireless PS4 controller that had a dead battery, and then I pull out the battery, soldered in a couple wires on the on the positive and the negative, and connected a long wire, and yeah, basically solder that to a USB plug. So just the positive and the negative wire. Yeah. Yeah, there's a glue, and then I drill some holes, and you get the wires out in the back, and then some glue, and then wire it on. Yeah, it's pretty basic. But anyways, it works fine, and now you can play all the games. And you just need, when you want to power on the PlayStation 4, you can't do that using this button anymore. You need to use the power switch on the PlayStation console, and then you're good to go.